use this formula to evaluate the sum. So all up till now, we've been doing sums by hand, but that can take a while when we're going with a lot of numbers. So this one, we would start at k equals 1, and then we would have to go all the way up to k equals 12. And that's why we have this formula. So this formula means the summation of n, and n just means this number. So n is 12. Okay, so S of the 12 numbers that we would be adding is n, which is 12. And then we need to actually find these values. So a sub 1 and a sub 12. So instead of finding 12, now we only have to find 2. So we take negative 5, k minus 1 times 3, and we're replacing k with 1. And then we're replacing k with 12. So it's easier than having to replace 12 times and then add. This formula just does it for us. So negative 5 plus 1 minus 1 times 3, that's negative 5. And if I change this to 12, it's 28. So negative 5 and 28. That's what these are. So I have 12, negative 5 plus 28, and then divided by 2. And then you just put that in the calculator. So 12, oops, I'm struggling. Negative 5 plus 28, all divided by 2. So it's 138. And that's our sum. So instead of having to find them, all 12 numbers, and add them up, it's way easier to just use this formula.